Hello to Blessy, Micah, and Hildy. Today, let's have some idiomatic expressions. Under the weather. Feeling ill. My dad was feeling a bit under the weather. Cold feet. Becoming nervous. It is usual for students to be cold feet during recitations. Set the record straight. To reveal the truth or to clarify. The actress set the record straight for her to have peace of mind. Snowed under. To be busy. Father is usually snowed under in the morning. Walk on eggshells. To be very careful with your actions and words. When talking to your superiors, you have to walk on eggshells.